lovelies? Welcome to a get ready with me for work. Um, we are gonna get ready with Absolute New York products. Let's start out with priming. The primers that I have is the Poreless Me, the Hydrate Me, and the Mattify Me primer. So let's go in and do that. I got my mirror right here. This is the beef. Clean and light. We're gonna go in with the matte lipstick and the glide, the smooth and glide lip liner. Always bumming around. These lip liners are really good. This lip liner should have what's that? 136.